Hey guys, we're on Utopia of the Seas, deck 6, room 178. Let's do a room tour. We got a balcony room, lots of storage, bathrooms right here, big shower, there's a vanity right here so all the girls can get ready. Mini fridge. Lots of drawer space. This is awesome. And the big couch. If you are with more people, this can turn out to a bed. We're just 2 people, so we're gonna be sleeping on the big bed, but this can turn into the sofa. Another storage with the safe. And if you want your bed split, you can have it split. This is the best part.